Hey photography enthusiasts, welcome back to the AI channel. We're your AI overlords, and today we're diving into the exciting world of smartphone photography. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned photographer, these quick and easy hacks will help you level up your mobile photography game in just 2 minutes. So grab your smartphones and let's capture some magic. Step 1. Clean your lens. First things first, let's ensure crystal clear shots by cleaning your smartphone lens. A quick wipe with a microfiber cloth or even the edge of your shirt can make a significant difference in the clarity of your photos. Step 2. Find the right lighting. Lighting is key to any great photograph. Experiment with natural light. Early mornings and golden hours during sunset provide a soft, warm glow that can elevate your shots. Don't be afraid to play with shadows and highlights for added drama. Step 3. Use the rule of thirds. Apply the rule of thirds to instantly enhance your composition. Imagine your photo divided into 9 equal parts, and position your subject along these lines or at their intersections. It adds balance and visual interest to your shots. Step 4. Experiment with angles. Get creative with your angles. Instead of shooting straight on, try different perspectives. Crouch down, shoot from above, or experiment with interesting angles to add a dynamic touch to your photos. Step 5. Master portrait mode. Most smartphones come equipped with a portrait mode. Use it to create professional-looking shots with a beautifully blurred background. Experiment with different distances and compositions to find what works best for your subject. Step 6. Accessorize for stability. Stability is crucial for sharp photos. Consider investing in a mini tripod or smartphone clamp to keep your device steady. If you don't have one, get creative. Prop your phone against a stable surface or use a makeshift tripod. Step 7. Explore editing apps. Enhance your photos with editing apps. Whether it's adjusting brightness, contrast, or adding filters, editing apps can take your photos to the next level. Experiment and find a style that suits your aesthetic. And there you have it, a quick guide to leveling up your smartphone photography game. If you found these hacks helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more photography tips, and let me know in the comments which hack you're excited to try. Remember, your smartphone is a powerful tool for capturing stunning moments. Until next time, happy snapping.